Raymond Mill abnormal sound. Don't panic. Focus on these areas. When using Raymond Mill, if abnormal sound is suddenly found, do not worry, should follow the following steps to check. 1. Check the transmission parts of the machine to make sure they are not loose or worn. 2. Check the grinding disc and grinding roll whether there are cracks or wear. 3. Check whether the oil circuit system and lubricating parts of the equipment work normally. 4. Check whether the material is suitable, whether there are impurities mixed. 5. Check whether the equipment is stable, whether there is loosening or shaking. These are the key problems to check when abnormal sound occurs. If any problem is found, handle it in a timely manner to avoid affecting the normal use of the device. At the same time, regular maintenance and inspection of equipment is also very necessary.